Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this one, we talk about the Notion widgets and how you can use them on your Mac computer. So let me cover some things that I may have missed in one of my previous videos about Notion widgets on Mac. So the widgets are basically the same that are also available on your iPhone. So you need to have the Notion app on your iPhone as well. Also, using the Mac, you can't really add widgets to the desktop view. You can only add them to the side panel. So go there. At the bottom, you can see the edit button to add or remove the widgets, and from the list that pops up, make sure to find the Notion icon, or better yet, search for it using the search bar, as it's easier to find that way. So add the widgets that you like. It's the very same sizes as on the iPhone, and the functionality is the same as well. But I've noticed that some people are kind of stuck at this situation because the Notion widget is saying to hold down on it in order to edit the widget. It works well on the iPhone, but on the Mac, you can't just hold down on it. Instead, what we need to do is to right-click on the widget. It's also called the secondary click. Using the trackpad, it is done by tapping with 2 fingers at the same time, and more options are going to pop up. You want to then click on Edit Notion, and the whole widget will flip nicely, and you'll be able to choose the page that is supposed to be shown on the actual widget. Obviously, there are different types of the widget too, like the larger one, which will display more information, so you need to pick the one that will be the most useful for you. But that would be basically it from me. I really do hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button on it. You might as well just subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos like this one in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.